So we've practiced the bias bound seam finish. Now let's apply it to the hem of a garment. First things first, what is a hem? A hem is the bottom raw edge of a piece of cloth or clothing. Now let's grab our bias tape. Remember, you will need 2 to 3 yards of 1/2 inch double fold bias tape. Now remember what we practiced. Insert the raw edges of the hem into the fold of the bias tape. Slowly begin to sew on the open edge of the bias tape. After you've removed your garment from the machine, press and steam your bias bound hem flat. Now here's an option. You could leave the bias bound hem as is as an interesting design element. But let's finish it. Fold your hem up towards the wrong side of the garment. Be sure that it's carefully folded the width of the bias tape. Now carefully and neatly stitch along the open end of your hem. Remember to keep the folded edge of your hem aligned with the edge of your foot. Be sure to take your time. Don't forget to clean up any loose threads. And of course, press and steam your finished hem flat. And now you have a beautiful bias bound hem.